Spray-Lock Nation, to another wonderful day here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Brent and I are both here today. We're going to talk about residential concrete and how our products can help those. As we all know, there's that PCA puts out a cement usage. And the one thing that when we first started looking at, we didn't realize how much concrete usage it really goes to residential.
Yes.
Because in my background and your background as well, most everything we do is commercial and retail, medical, things of that nature, industrial. So we don't really see a whole lot of the residential as much, but it's amazing how much residential concrete is actually going down.
There's a tremendous amount of residential concrete, somewhere in the neighborhood of, 20% of the market, something like that is residential concrete. So the any concrete can definitely benefit from spray-lock concrete protection, but there's some specific ways that residential concrete can benefit. Josh, what are some of those ways?
Well, when you're starting to try to look at freeze-thaw damage that concrete does experience, the de-icing salts that you have, people are going to put de-icing salts down on their driveways, sidewalks, so slippage is down. But once you get through all that, the abrasion that we're having, from wind, rain, traffic, everything else that goes in, as much as we keep going down, and much like a lot of people, we use the same pathways down our driveways. We don't move too much. And then obviously we got the environmental attack, just from different chemicals that hit it. And forgo the de-icing salts of it, but oil drippings, gasoline drippings, and everything else. Anytime when you work on your car, if you wash your car, wax your car, all those things are hitting that concrete.
Well, and in today's world, even acid rain is something that can cause concrete to have a shorter lifespan than you might want it to. And so one of the things that I wanted to be sure to mention today was this is all from the core way that the product works, which is the same, whether it's commercial concrete, industrial concrete, a huge infrastructure project. It all deals with, or all starts with, the product is able to penetrate into the concrete, react, and close up void structure. And from that, we get all of these benefits, including in residential concrete. It can help your concrete look good longer because it's closing up that void structure.
Yeah, I'll give you a case. My driveway, before I treated it, I was pressure washing it every year, and at the end of the year, I was like, I really need to do it again. I pressure washed mine, treated it, and it's been 3 years, and I've not pressure washed it since. That's my personal story. I'm not saying you're going to get that, but we are seeing other people who are using it, and they're not having to pressure wash as much.
Yeah, and that's a great benefit for. I still have yet to do my driveway at home because my driveway is I'm like the shoemaker whose kids has no shoes. I'm the concrete guy whose concrete driveway is in bad shape.
The mechanic that never works on his car.
Yeah, exactly.
I get it.
So maybe one day I'll treat my driveway after I get it cleaned up good.
I have a feeling I'm going to be treating your driveway before you do.
Possibly. And thank you so much for joining us today. Residential concrete can absolutely benefit from Spray-Lock Concrete Protections products, and it'll help you have a longer lasting driveway that will look better longer.
Like, subscribe, comment. If you've got any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.